Today we're going to be talking about how the Shiba Inu Coin burn rate just went up 300%. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment down below how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. And then also leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Now, if you guys have not already, go ahead and get signed up to public with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you are going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I personally got a $300 stock of Amazon just a couple weeks ago. So if you guys want to try out your luck with that, go ahead and get signed up with the first link in the description. And also go ahead and get signed up to our second link in the description to get our buy and sell alerts with our private Discord. That's going to give you one-on-one interactions as well as first looks into new cryptos we're looking into. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description. But anyways, today we are going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin. We are currently down about 4.5%. Now, this is not as much as other coins, such as I believe Ethereum is down about 6% today. And then also AVAX is down about 10% today. We're actually outperforming a lot of the crypto market right now just because of all the kind of negativity we've seen in the past couple of hours with the crypto markets. But anyways, today we're going to be talking about the technical analysis at the end of the video. And we're going to be talking about a few different pieces of news on Shiba Inu Coin, including the burn rate being up 300%. So if that's something you might be interested in learning about or hearing about, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. But first, I do want to go over what Milkshake or Shiba Inu art just put out a couple of minutes ago. When Shibarium and Shiba Swap 2.0 are released, will the tokenomics change in regards to rewards? And this was a question that she got. Answer: tokenomics inclusive with a layer 2 introduction may evolve, but not change the essence of the originating factor. Any changes will be addressed via official communication methods such as the Shiba Inu's official blog, blog.shibaswap.com. This includes upcoming releases and updates for Shibarium and Shiba Swap 2.0. For project integrity, disclose any information is limited. Basically, they say, hey, we can't put out all the information until we are ready to do so. Development on the platforms is continuously being worked upon. In addition to that, a Woof Paper v3 is set to be released and will be updated on a more ongoing basis to disclaim better understanding, and above all, display the same confidence approach to the ecosystem and its evolution. So basically what they're saying, any updates that you guys may have or may want to hear about are going to come with blog.shibaswap.com. And currently I want to go to actually something that they just posted on this blog. So that's going to be the official when Shibarium and Shiba Swap are announced. They will be will be released. They will be announced on blog.shibaswap. But I want to be going over the Doggy DAO results. So if you guys don't know, the Doggy DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization, which is basically helping with giving us voting rights to see what is going to be added to Shiba Swap 2.0 right now, and it will be evolving as well. The following are the acknowledged final closed results for the top 30 pairs voted by the community. The tallied results are now undergoing a review process and will begin onboarding Shiba Swap's woofable pair allocation rewards. A total of 2,300 votes were counted by the autonomous platform. So basically 2,300 people voted on which different pairs they want to be added to the Shiba Inu Shiba Swap. So yeah, the number of active votes calculated on the DAO's voting portal was capped at 1,000. This was just a visual bug on the Shiba Swap's website. It was only counted to 1,000. The entire voting will still be calculated on the snapshot. So they're basically saying people said that the voting was capped at 1,000. It wasn't. It was actually at 2,300. First round notice. During the first round, a few problems with the DAO were encountered, so they just want to be kind of, transparent here. The number of active votes calculated was capped at 1,000. This does not mean the votes were not being tracked. This is why we distributed a snapshot upon its inception. This issue will be resolved with the open proposal in the weeks ahead. Furthermore, after launching, we also discovered that new community members who staked Bone were not able to join in and participate. This as well will be resolved in the future. So basically they're saying, hey, a few different things were kind of come into contact with and they will be fixed. But yeah, basically the top leading woofable pairs were lease times Shib. That was 23% of the vote. There was Shib times USDC, Mana times WETH. So there's a bunch of different woofable pairs that were voted on, and the top ones were these ones. So if you guys wanted to know the results, these were the results of the top 30 being voted on. So really awesome to see there. But yeah, now let's move on. Shiba Inu Coin was in the top 5 coins mentioned on Twitter this week. They were sitting at about number 5. We were mentioned about 328,000 times. This is behind only PancakeSwap, XTZ, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So really awesome to see Shiba being above Doge, Baby Doge, Cardano, SafeMoon. Awesome to see Shiba Inu Coin being at the top there. Now, 152 million Shib were burned in the past 7 days, and some of them were from businesses, some of them were from just random people in the community. So we're really just absolutely killing it with the burning. $11,000 was burned by the 317 key account, so that's really awesome. That was about 400 million of it. So really, this 317 key account is really putting in some work for the Shib community, as well as Bigger Entertainment, and then just us as a community is doing really awesome. Now I want to go over the burn rate is up 330% in the last 24 hours. A ton of people have been burning Shib in the last 24 hours, and that is really, really awesome to see our burn rate going up like that. Just wanted to mention that really quick. But anyways, let's go over the global crypto market. We can see that the global crypto market is down about 5% to $1.7 trillion. Ethereum's kind of feeling a lot of these losses right now, as well as Bitcoin being down 3%, AVAX being down 11%, but Shiba Inu Coin is only down about 6% compared to some of these people. So we are outperforming ETH, slightly underperforming Bitcoin. The volume is on now the upward trend, up 1% over the last 24 hours to $1.1 billion. And you can see here we're starting to make a bit of a recovery, as well as the volume starting to go up as well. But let's discuss this in the technical analysis now. We can see that Shiba Inu Coin is still trading between the support at the 23 and the resistance here at the 28. We are trending down on the MACD currently, but the RSI is only at about 38, which is very close to being oversold. We are starting to see some green candlesticks and bouncing off this support at the 23. So it looks like we have finally found a support here at the 23, and we are bouncing off it and reversing our trend right now. So it's really awesome to see us reversing this trend. I personally see us staying above this support at the 23. Who knows what will happen with this whole Russia and Ukraine thing, though. It's very unpredictable. The crypto markets just haven't been as predictable as of late. Obviously, just random stuff happening with Russia and Ukraine. So I'll always keep your eyes out for that. Go and join our private Discord if you guys want some up-to-date information on all that. But anyways, go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. Deposit $1 and you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock. Also get signed up to our private Discord with the second link in the description to get signed up to our private Discord and get buy and sell alerts, one-on-one interactions, and first looks into new cryptos we're looking into. If that's something you might be interested in, go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description. But yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. That's going to be it for this video. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next one.